I'm Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and this video is to demonstrate fitment for 16-inch wheels and 315/75R16 tires on a 2 to 4-inch lifted 2- and 4-door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JK. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, review the clearance with the wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. 315/75R16 tires are the metric equivalent to a 35-inch tire, and the combination of a 35-inch tire with a 16-inch wheel is very popular for a setup with owners who have lifted JKs, as you can see from these pictures provided by JK owners. This wheel and tire combo, combined with a 2 to 4-inch lift kit, lets you run the biggest possible tire without needing to do any major modifications. This wheel and tire setup also gets you an aggressive lifted look with more capability if you want to go off-road. Customers running this setup are a mix of those who are driving mainly on the road and those who also take their Jeep off-roading. Running 35s on a 2 to 4-inch lifted JK is absolutely fine for on-road daily driving and moderate off-roading. This setup is free from any rubbing on the suspension components and the stock bumper. In off-road situations, you can expect to be free from any rubbing while driving on the trails and also during moderate rock crawling. There are a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 35. When driving on the road, the ride will feel a little bit more sluggish with the 35s compared to your stock tires. Your speedometer will also read about 5 to 7 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of the change of the bigger tires. Now, that's not a big deal, but most Jeep owners just keep that in mind when driving. This can easily be corrected with a speed calibrator or a tuner for your Jeep, which can be found right here on our site. Again, this setup of 35-inch tires with 16-inch wheels is very popular with our customers and will give your JK a much more aggressive look over the stock setup. Also, if you do purchase a set from ExtremeTerrain, we make it very easy for you to get these on your JK. You can have them mounted and balanced before being shipped to you, and then just have a jack and a lug wrench for the install, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any other questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number and speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.